Welcome to Istanbul. This is a city where continents meet, where the past and present blend seamlessly, and where every sunrise brings a new adventure. There's truly nowhere else like it. One city, two continents, divided and connected by the Bosphorus Strait. Here, Europe and Asia don't just face each other, they embrace, creating a unique cultural tapestry that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Imagine starting your morning with a traditional Turkish breakfast overlooking the European shore, then hopping on a ferry to enjoy lunch in Asia. In Istanbul, crossing continents is as easy as catching a boat, and every journey offers breathtaking views. Istanbul's history is everywhere. Roman, Byzantine, Ottoman, each stone tells a story. The city is a living museum, where ancient wonders like the Hagia Sophia and Topkapi Palace stand side by side with bustling modern life. Walk its streets and you'll time travel, ancient squares, modern cafés, minarets beside skyscrapers. Every step you take is a step through centuries of history, culture, and transformation. The city is a mosaic of neighborhoods, each with its own character. From the vibrant colors of Balat to the trendy vibes of Karakoy and the creative spirit of Kadikoy, every district has its own story to tell. Every corner reveals something new. A hidden courtyard, a bustling tea shop, a vibrant market. The scents of spices, the sound of laughter, and the sight of intricate tiles make every discovery unforgettable. Getting lost here is part of the adventure. The winding alleys invite you to explore, to wander without a plan, and to stumble upon hidden gems you'll remember forever. So lace up your shoes. We're about to explore ancient mosques, chaotic bazaars, and taste unforgettable food. From the call to prayer echoing over the city to the sizzle of street food, every moment is an experience. We'll cross continents, meet locals, and soak in the city's energy. Istanbul's spirit is infectious, and its people are ready to share their stories and traditions with you. Istanbul is a feast for the senses, a place that fills you with wonder. From the taste of Turkish delight to the glow of sunset over the rooftops, every moment here is pure magic. Ready? Let's dive in. This isn't just a tour, it's an adventure. Let's go. The city awaits, and every step promises a new discovery. Our journey begins in the vibrant heart of old Istanbul, Sultanahmet Square. This bustling plaza has been the city's crossroads for centuries, where the echoes of empires linger in the air and every stone seems to tell a story. Here, two architectural giants stand face to face, Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, each a masterpiece, each a symbol of a different era and faith, yet both woven into the fabric of Istanbul's identity. The Hagia Sophia, with its grand silhouette, has transformed through time. First a Byzantine cathedral, then an imperial mosque, later a museum, and now a mosque once again. Its walls have witnessed the prayers, hopes, and dreams of countless generations. Step inside and you're greeted by a breathtaking dome that seems to float above you, shimmering golden mosaics and ancient calligraphy. The play of light and shadow here is mesmerizing, a testament to the genius of its builders. Just across the square, the Blue Mosque dazzles with its harmonious design. Over 20,000 hand-painted blue tiles, 6 slender minarets, and a cascade of domes that create a sense of serenity and grandeur. Its spacious courtyard invites quiet reflection, while the hauntingly beautiful call to prayer drifts through the air, connecting past and present in a single moment. These buildings are more than just remarkable feats of architecture. They are living symbols of Istanbul's layered, multicultural identity, standing as silent witnesses to the city's ever-changing story. One represents the height of Byzantine Christian artistry, with its intricate mosaics and soaring arches. The other, a pinnacle of Ottoman Islamic design, adorned with delicate calligraphy and luminous tiles. For centuries, these monuments have watched over the ebb and flow of empires, sultans, and ordinary people, millions of footsteps echoing across the ancient stones, each leaving a mark on history. Sitting quietly between them, you can almost feel the pulse of history beneath your feet, a sense of connection to all who have come before. This is truly a crossroads of faiths and cultures, where visitors from every corner of the world gather, drawn by the enduring spirit of Istanbul. Take a moment to pause, breathe in the atmosphere, and let the beauty and history of this place sink in. as the sun sets over the domes and minarets. Istanbul's story is etched into these ancient stones, each weathered block a silent witness to centuries of triumph, turmoil, and transformation. Let's keep walking. There's so much more to discover in this city where East meets West, and every step reveals a new chapter. Onward. Ready for a sensory overload? Step into a world where every sense is awakened and every corner promises a new adventure. Welcome to the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world, right in the heart of Istanbul. This isn't just a market, it's a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops and 60 bustling streets, each one brimming with history and energy. The air is thick with the scent of exotic spices, the rich aroma of leather, and the constant buzz of haggling voices. Here you'll find hand-painted ceramics, dazzling mosaic lamps that light up the stalls, and silk scarves in every color imaginable, plus carpets hanging like works of art, each one telling a story of Turkish craftsmanship. Shopkeepers invite you in for apple tea and stories, eager to share their traditions and tales whether you buy or not. Getting lost is part of the fun. Each turn reveals hidden courtyards, secret passageways, and artisan workshops where masters craft jewelry, textiles, and more. Haggling here is tradition, a friendly game, not a battle. It's a chance to connect, laugh, and maybe even make a friend. The first price is just the beginning. Negotiation is expected and done with a smile, often ending in a handshake and a laugh. The real treasure is the experience itself, the vibrant atmosphere, the colors, the sounds, and the people you meet along the way. Leave with a few finds, from unique souvenirs to memories that will last a lifetime, and a story to tell your friends back home about the time you bargained for a lamp or sipped tea with a local merchant. The Grand Bazaar is Istanbul's beating heart of commerce and culture, a living museum where past and present blend seamlessly. Let's see what we discover next. Follow me. Our adventure has only just begun. Next stop, the Spice Bazaar, a paradise for your nose and taste buds. The air is alive with cumin, cinnamon, saffron, and mint. Pyramids of spices, Turkish delight in every flavor, dried fruits and teas fill the stalls. Vendors offer samples and share their expertise, often passed down for generations. It's a place to learn about Turkish cuisine and culture, and to stock up on edible souvenirs. Outside, the market spills into streets of fresh cheeses, olives, and honeycombs. Grab a Turkish coffee and baklava nearby to complete the experience. The Spice Bazaar is more than a market. It's a delicious slice of Istanbul's soul. Let's savor every moment. On to the next adventure. Time to cross worlds, literally, on the Galata Bridge over the Golden Horn. This bridge links historic Sultanahmet with modern Karakoy and Beyoğlu. The views are stunning. Old city domes on one side, the Galata Tower on the other. Fishermen line the rails, casting lines as ferries glide below. The lower level buzzes with seafood restaurants, perfect for a fresh fish sandwich or balik ekmek. At sunset, the city glows and the mosques light up. The bridge is a microcosm of Istanbul movement, connection, and breathtaking views. Crossing it, you feel the city's pulse change. Arriving in Karakoy, the vibe shifts, more contemporary, more cosmopolitan. Istanbul's contrasts are on full display here. Let's explore the modern side. The journey continues. Follow the energy. Welcome to Beyoğlu and Istiklal Avenue, the modern heart of Istanbul. This pedestrian street is always alive with shoppers, street performers, and artists. 19th century buildings and the nostalgic red tram give it a European flair. Boutiques, galleries, and patisseries line the avenue. But the real magic is in the side streets, hidden cafés, lively markets, and the city's best restaurants. Here, tradition and modernity blend seamlessly. At the end is Taksim Square, the city's central plaza and meeting point. Beyoğlu is where Istanbul's contemporary spirit shines. It's vibrant, creative, and full of surprises. Take a detour, get lost, and discover something new. This is Istanbul's pulse, fast, bright, and unforgettable. Let's keep moving. Istanbul's soundtrack is unforgettable. The call to prayer echoes from minarets, weaving through the city 5 times a day. The Bosphorus hums with ferries, ships, and the gentle lapping of waves. On the streets, you hear the clatter of tea glasses, the calls of simit sellers and the rumble of the red tram. In the bazaars, it's the lively dance of commerce, haggling, laughter, and music. Street musicians fill Istiklal Avenue with everything from violin to rock. At night, live music spills from taverns in Beyoğlu and Kadıköy. Istanbul sounds are a living symphony, spiritual, commercial, and joyful. To walk here is to listen to the city's heartbeat. Every sound tells a story. Let's tune in and keep exploring. Hungry yet? Istanbul's food scene is legendary. Turkish cuisine is a rich tapestry, far beyond kebabs. Start with the traditional breakfast: cheeses, olives, tomatoes, honey, fresh bread, and endless tea. Street food is everywhere. Simit, roasted chestnuts, grilled corn, and the mustri balik ekmek by the water. Trilamakun, a thin, crispy flatbread with spiced meat. Or step into alokanta for home-style stews and pilafs. Dessert is a highlight: baklava's sweet layers or gooey syrup-soaked kunef. Eating here is a journey. Each bite tells a story of history and culture. The best meals are often the simplest, shared with friends or strangers. Istanbul's food is about community, tradition, and joy. Come hungry, leave inspired. Every meal is an adventure. Let's taste what's next. Ready for dessert? Let's dig in. Why is Istanbul unforgettable? It's a city that gets under your skin and into your heart. Here, ancient domes, the call to prayer, the scent of spices, and the taste of baklava create a full sensory experience. Istanbul is a blend of old and new, tradition and modernity, always changing yet timeless. The people are warm, welcoming, and proud to share their city. You're not just a tourist, you're a guest. Every visit reveals something new. Every walk is a discovery. Istanbul is a bridge between continents, cultures, and centuries. It's a journey that enriches your soul and leaves you wanting more. The memories last a lifetime. Once you visit, Istanbul stays with you forever. And that's the magic of this city.